Tríbhealach ina bhfuil Gaeilge níos éasca an fólam ná teangacha eile. Ibrahim, irregular verbs. Spanish, English, French all have between 200 and 300 irregular verbs in each of their languages. In Irish, only 11. On top of that, the verb to be, you're probably going to learn off on day 1 or week 1 of learning the language. You also have the verb bear, which is rarely used, to be honest. So when you whittle it down, there's only about 8 or 9 irregular verbs that you actually need to use every day, or that you need to learn off to be able to use every day. This is a massive advantage compared to most languages. Iver though, lack of verb conjugation. So again, while in most languages the verb will change, if I'm saying it about myself, about you, about he or her, or whoever might be doing it, in Irish it stays the exact same. We just change the pronoun. So if I'm saying I am, it's tá mé, you are, tá tú, tá sé, tá she, tá muid, tá siv, and tá siad. The verb itself doesn't change. All you need to learn off are the main 7 pronouns. Agus iver 3, pronunciation is consistent. So if you look at a word like ear in English, you would think putting a B at the start of that would make it beer, but it makes it bear. And there's no particular reason for that. There's a lot of kind of unexplainable pronunciation in English, and it jumps a lot from word to word. But in Irish, once you know the main 4 or 5 pronunciation rules, pronunciation will be consistent. So even if you have a word that you've never seen before and you don't know what it means, judged it off the spelling, you should be confident in knowing how it's going to be pronounced. Agus iver a chathair, a bonus one, is that it's way easier to learn a language like Irish with something like the Learn Irish Online membership. Available now over at patreon.com/learnirishonline. There's a load of videos and podcasts, different resources, Irish language content there to teach you what you actually need to know to speak and understand Irish, and it's in a really nice, modern, easy to follow, simple format. Head over there and check out all the content we have with our 1 week free trial today, only €7 a month afterwards.